Guys, crypto boss in the house. I'm a boss, you're a boss, we all crypto bosses. So guys, got a nice little treat for you today. So I didn't do a video yesterday because I've got a very important client doing a big project. So I haven't looked at the crypto news today, so I've got even a better treat for you guys today. Even if you've never thought about making your own NFT or crypto project, today I'm going to give you some great pointers, some amazing pointers, and it's what I do. I'm actually a marketer, crypto and NFT marketer. I've been doing it for the last 2 years for crypto, and I've been doing marketing for the past 10 years. I've had dropshipping stores, I've had big brands, I've done a lot. So I am an expert in what I do, and I've, as I said, I helped many successful NFT and crypto projects. So today, the treat is I'm going to teach you guys how to launch a successful NFT project. Okay? So first, we need good art. Make sure you have great art. I know a lot of these projects, I know you don't have to be like a profile picture project and it's all about the apes and the dogs and the sheep and the cats. I don't just mean that. I just mean we are visual people. We like to have something that looks good, that represents, status, and people like to show people, look at this, people like to share. That's the whole point of it. Share, look at me, I've got this, look how good this looks. You got to tap into that human psychology of, flexing, basically. So you got to have some good art. First thing you need to do. Okay, and it's also great because it's great for graphics on your socials. So what we tell our clients is make sure you've got good art so we can make great videos for the socials, so we can get that viral effect. So people like to share, people will be more inclined to share. Look at this is amazing. Look at Hate Beast, for instance. There's so many other projects I can talk about, but look at Hate Beast. That was an overnight viral success because of the art, and it was so different to the normal. Within 24 hours, they filled their Twitter like over 100,000 people. So art is the first thing. Second, guys, you need a good team. And this is good core team. Owners got to be great, but also a good marketing team, a good social media team. Your whole team's gonna be great. Even if, like as an owner, if you're the owner and you're not the best at talking, articulate yourself, hire people. I was doing a project called Sportman Go. Some of my guys on here that was with me for a long time, I remember Sportman Go. Sportman Go, my own hands took them to 126 mil market cap, cryptocurrency. I actually made the name Sportman Go. They came to me with a vision. They was great leaders, but they didn't have great branding skills, marketing skills, overall an eye for detail. So I came in, and that was where I helped and took over the branding, the marketing, changed the website, give them the new name. Oh gosh, the name was ridiculous, the name. Launched the project, me and my team, did the marketing, everything, and launched it. And then they took over. It was amazing. It was amazing what they did. Ricky, he was like, he had the gift of the gabs. He sold dreams. And that comes to me with another point. Have someone in the team that can sell a good dream. I know when you say sell dream, it sounds very sleazy, but it's not. If you believe in your dream, you sell that dream. Because if you're not, you're giving the world a disjustice. You believe in something passionately, that means that is a gift, and that is a passion that you need to show the world. Okay, so a good team. And if you wherever you're lacking, hire. Even the project I do now, the contract we've got is a 6-figure project. And The guys, great at what they do. Their artwork. They've actually got a play to earn company. They're doing what they're doing. They're amazing. But a bit like Sportman Go, they don't know marketing, don't understand branding to an extent, and they definitely just have no clue for marketing. But that's where we came in. Okay, so good team, no weak links. Okay, utility. Those are the days I've gone with slap an ape on the picture and that's it. You need great utility, guys. So make sure you've got good utility. Think outside the box. Also, be different. Be different. Don't just say you're a play to earn when that was a play to earn narrative last month, 6 months ago. Understand what narrative, where you are in the ecosystem, what narrative is happening now. Try and go with the current meta, and if you can't, at least you create the next meta. Be unique. Okay, so have great use case, have a good USP, think outside the box, work with what you got plus more. Also have a good roadmap. Give people a reason to hold your NFT project. You want to be in this for the long haul. So you want people to hold, and you have to give them a reason to hold. And make sure you are hitting the roadmap targets. So guys, there's about 4 to 5 big alpha value, and these are the same things that I've used, and they're going to tell you more. This is part 1. Part 2 will be up here. I'm going to do it tomorrow, but this is part 2. I want to make these videos a bit shorter. I've helped launch many NFT and crypto projects that raise millions, and I'm giving you this knowledge for free. You can do whatever you want with it. You can use that and do your own project. You can contact me, and my company can help you launch your project. Whatever it is, doesn't matter. I'm doing this to give you guys pure value. Okay, guys, so check the video up here to watch part 2. And guys, I love you. I can't wait to build this channel to 1 million followers. All the best. Till the next one.